Mutongeria wa rutere ruregani rwa Azimio niwe Raila Odinga nariungite sibitari ya Kenyatta kuraitha AAJIE baria bagwatire banja nyuma ya gas guka mwanki ntere cha EMBAKASI muthiene jwa KIUMIA KITHIRU MUTINO JUJU NIJWATIGIRIRE antu bathatu batete uturo na bangi magana akueja na baguraritwe.
Kwa roho yako nzuri umekuja kuona victims na umekuja kuona wananchi.
Mutongereria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga na JURIA we ni bariongerete antu baria bagukara EMBAKASI social hall nyuma yabo kwaga kwa gukara bakwirwa ni nyomba mutinone jwa mwanki EMBAKASI.
Tulikuwa tunachomekea kwa barabara kama tunakimbia.
Na mimi najua uchungu ya kuchomeka na moto. Sasa hii ni shida kubwa ambayo imetokea kwenu.
Ni bariongerete kinya baria bakwamukira utungata sibitari nene ya Kenyatta baria bagwatire ngurario mwanya mwanya.
We have found out that the 34 victims were brought here to Kenyatta National Hospital with different degrees of injuries. We have seen 22 who are in this particular ward here. They're being treated, and we've seen that they're taking good care of all the patients here. These people some of them have got very serious injuries. We've been told that 4 of those who are brought here have lost their lives.
Raila ni arombete thirikari nene itethererie kuria mareija sibitari kiri baria baringikite.
We have produced 3 million shillings, which we are sharing with all the victims here. We are urging the national government to come in and also make contributions. Most of these people have lost their livelihoods. So they have also lost their houses. So the government should try to find shelter for these people.
Aria nkoroki orete Rais Ruto atigirire baria baringikite na Mutino JUJU ni bagwikwa mustari ne jwa mbere kuona nyomba cia thirikari itena goro.
There's already affordable housing scheme that is been completed. Let these people be the first beneficiaries and tenants of that scheme. So we urge Mr. Ruto to come out and act instead of just shouting at the State House.
The county hospital, this is a facility